Hi, back down at Stanley Park for this saga. That is the second half of the roof. So there's Anfield. The crane is in, one of the cranes outside is in position. They've moved the goalposts again, so it's now coming down tomorrow. So we've been here a while now. We've spoke to a few people, and I've got a contact on site who did say it's coming down tomorrow, so not much we can do. We will attach the drone footage that we got, showing how it is today. And also, as a special treat, I've been anonymously sent some photos of the inside, so we'll attach them to the end of this video for you. Some good photos of the old roof and stuff as well, so take a look at that. If you do like content like this, subscribe to our channel. At the moment we don't usually do this, but we're doing daily updates, because it's changing every day. But yeah, subscribe, comment, share in the comment link below. Bit disheartened that me and Oscar have sat there for a while in the heat, and it's not going to happen today. So I don't even know whether I can get down tomorrow. I've got other commitments, but I'm sure Casey, Kev and Mr. Drone will be down here, so if I can't actually get it, maybe check it out on their channels. It coming down. It is what it is. It's the way it goes, isn't it? Right, go on, we'll get into this video. Take care, see you soon. So the saga continues with this second part of the roof lift. We were down there, me and Oscar were down there for a good while today, and it's just not happening. We've been told by multiple people that it's going to be tomorrow. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and you can see any regular updates regarding this particular project and other projects regarding football stadiums, stadium tours that we've started doing as well. They are all coming up, so hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about them photos that we've been sent. They are coming up towards the end of this video, so stick around for them. They're actually quite good. So as you can see in this shot, the yellow crane that took down the first part of the roof has now been moved into position, ready to take down the next part of the old roof. There's not much else to report, to be honest. We will be doing our live stream like we do on a Sunday at 11 o'clock, so we will cover any other updates like at the back of the stand and stuff on Sunday. when we did go down the yellow crane that's in the Sir Kenny Dalglish stand car park, it was fully extended. The what's it called? The chain that you pick up with, whatever it's called, was fully extended. So I don't know whether that's holding something while they're cutting or whatever, but it is actually up to something now. It's not just sitting there. So tomorrow, as I said, I can't actually be there. We've already arranged something. I can't get out of it, so maybe check out Casey Imageworks or Mr. Drone UK. I'm sure them guys will be there covering this roof lift if it does happen tomorrow. If. Go on, we're going to leave it there. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.